Hey guys, welcome back. We are out here on Mandal, a lake connected to Oz. We're gonna see if we can catch some crappie, and I'll let you know when we catch some fish. Blue game, that one's a nice one too. Number 2. That one. Okay. Once again, another bluegill. This one's a bluegill, I think. Yep. I think. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Another bluegill. No. Just a whole lot of crappies that are destroyed. This little golden thing I was using for perch the other day. Oh my goodness! That is so much fun. The bluegill are just crazy. Look at that one. He's got a little something like that. Ooh. And I think this one's a crappie. Yep. 17 is a little shallower than where I was before. It's a nice one.
Fish over here, Kelly?
Yep. This one's a whoa! Oh my goodness! I think this one's a bluegill too. Yep. Dad, the bluegill like the thump a lot. It's crazy. And oh, he's thumping. Is this a bass? Oh. I thought it. Oh no. That's another bluegill. Yep. That's a nicer one. I don't know what this one is. It's another crappie. It's again. Oh my goodness, this guy's floppy. I think this one's another bluegill. Nope, it's a crappie. 100%. Yep, baby bluegill. Oh yeah, I think this one's a bluegill. Oh, always get themselves wrapped up in the transducer all the time. Okay. Oh, another bluegill. Hey guys, I caught some bluegill. I caught some crappie. But I think I may have caught more bluegill than crappie, so leave a like, subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next